This Samsung built-in single oven is ideal for making everyday cooking easier, and with its sophisticated design, you can be sure that it will complement your existing kitchen decor. Dual cook technology allows you to cook completely different foods on different temperatures in the same oven, with no transfer of flavour or smell, so you can prepare a mains and dessert simultaneously. The 66-litre large capacity gives you additional freedom when preparing dishes, ideal for large family households or when you're cooking a Sunday roast. Catalytic liners are situated at the rear of the oven and absorb grease from splashes and drips during cooking. When paired with high temperatures, any lingering residue is turned to ash, so you can enjoy hassle-free cleaning. With a large capacity and helpful cleaning features, this Samsung single oven will make a smart addition to family kitchens.